What if boring businesses could make you rich in America? Many people ignore these simple ideas that work very well. Unsexy businesses solve everyday problems without any fancy technology involved. These businesses create steady cash flow for owners across America. Setup happens once and it earns money with little effort. People always need clean clothes, snacks, cash, and storage space. These needs create reliable income for smart owners who act. Scaling helps owners reach $10,000 in monthly profits. These businesses have real assets like machines, buildings, and land. Real assets protect your money better than many risky investments. Owners run these businesses in towns and cities across America. Demand stays steady for these services no matter the economy. These businesses help build long-term wealth for smart owners. We explore 20 unsexy businesses paying $10,000 monthly. Each business solves basic needs people have every single day. First, we look at laundromats that clean clothes for people. Customers put coins in machines to wash and dry laundry. One laundromat with many machines brings $10,000 monthly. Machines work all day and night with little owner supervision. Good locations near apartments bring steady customers every single week. Buy an existing laundromat and make it profitable over time. Many regular Americans own laundromats and earn passive income quietly. Next, we look at vending machine routes selling snacks and drinks. Vending machines in high-traffic spots like offices and stores. A route with 50 machines brings $10,000 monthly. You restock machines weekly and collect the cash from sales. Vending routes work great for part-time owners seeking income. Next, we look at ATM ownership in busy American locations. ATMs sit in stores, bars, and gas stations across town. Each ATM can earn hundreds of dollars every single month. A network of 20 ATMs brings $10,000 monthly. You check machines weekly and restock cash when needed. ATM businesses run quietly with very little daily work. Good spots near shops bring steady users every single day. Buy used ATMs and place them in high-traffic spots. Many quiet owners earn steady income from ATM routes. Next, we look at self-storage facilities with many units. Tenants pay rent automatically every single month by contract. Storage buildings need little daily work after you open. Good locations near homes and apartments attract steady renters. Buy an existing facility or build new units over time. Many families use storage and owners collect rent quietly. Next, we look at billboard advertising on busy highways. Companies pay to show their ads on your billboard. One prime billboard can earn thousands every single month. Scaling to several billboards brings $10,000 monthly. Billboards work all day and night with little maintenance. Highway locations near cities bring steady advertising income. Buy land or lease space and put up billboards. Many landowners earn passive money from billboard deals. Next, we look at parking lot businesses in busy areas. Drivers pay to park their cars in your lot. A good-sized lot brings $10,000 monthly. Parking lots earn money all day with little supervision. Downtown or event spots bring steady cars every single day. Buy land or lease it and mark parking spaces. Many owners earn steady income from parking every month. Next, we look at automated car washes for busy drivers. Drivers pay to have their cars washed automatically. One busy car wash brings $10,000 monthly. The tunnel washes cars all day with little help. Good locations near roads bring steady cars every single day. Buy an existing wash or build a new tunnel. Many owners earn passive income from car washes quietly. Next, we look at dumpster rental services for construction. Builders rent dumpsters to haul away their waste. A fleet of dumpsters brings $10,000 monthly. You deliver dumpsters and pick them up when full. Construction sites always need dumpsters in growing American towns. Start with a few dumpsters and grow the route. Many owners earn steady income from dumpster rentals. Next, we look at portable restroom rentals for events. Event planners rent portable restrooms for outdoor gatherings. A route of units brings $10,000 monthly. You deliver clean units and service them regularly. Many owners earn passive income from restroom routes. Next, we look at septic tank services for homes. Homeowners need their septic tanks pumped and cleaned. A regular route brings $10,000 monthly. You pump tanks on schedule with special trucks. Suburban and rural homes always need septic care. Buy a truck and build routes in your area. Many quiet owners earn steady income from septic work. Next, we look at ice vending machines in hot areas. People buy bags of ice from outdoor machines. A route of machines brings $10,000 monthly. Machines work all day and night in warm weather. Gas stations and beaches bring steady buyers every day. Place machines in good spots and restock ice bags. Many owners earn passive income from ice vending. Next, we look at water vending machines in stores. People buy purified water from refill stations. A route of stations brings $10,000 monthly. Machines work all day with little daily work. Grocery stores and offices bring steady customers every day. Place stations in busy spots and maintain filters. Many owners earn passive income from water vending. Next, we look at RV and boat storage lots. Owners store their boats and RVs in your lot. A full lot brings $10,000 monthly. Tenants pay rent every month for safe storage. Good lots near lakes bring steady customers yearly. Buy land and fence it for secure storage. Many owners earn passive income from storage lots. Next, we look at cell tower land leases. Phone companies pay to put towers on your land. One good lease brings thousands every single month. Scaling to several leases brings $10,000 monthly. Land sits there while you collect steady rent checks. Rural land near cities works best for towers. Own land and lease space to phone companies. Many landowners earn passive income from tower leases. Next, we look at solar land leases for energy. Scaling to several acres brings $10,000 monthly. Land sits there while you collect steady rent checks. Sunny, open land works best for solar farms. Own land and lease it to solar companies. Many landowners earn passive income from solar leases. Next, we look at overnight truck parking lots. Truck drivers pay to park big rigs overnight. A busy lot brings $10,000 monthly. Lots near highways bring steady trucks every single night. You mark spaces and collect fees at the date. Many owners earn passive income from truck parking. Next, we look at coin vacuum and air stations. Drivers pay coins for air and vacuum at stations. A route of stations brings $10,000 monthly. Stations work all day at gas stations and lots. Busy roads bring steady drivers every single day. Place stations and collect coins on a route. Many owners earn passive income from vacuum stations. Next, we look at kiddie ride machines in stores. Kids pay coins to ride small machines. A route of rides brings $10,000 monthly. Rides work in malls and stores with little work. Family spots bring steady kids every single weekend. Place rides in good stores and collect coins weekly. Many owners earn passive income from kiddie rides. Next, we look at business document storage facilities. Companies pay to store old files and records safely. A facility with many boxes brings $10,000 monthly. Clients pay monthly fees for secure storage. Businesses always need safe places for old documents. Buy a building and offer storage units for files. Many owners earn passive income from document storage. Next, we look at farmland leasing to local farmers. Farmers pay cash rent to use your land. Good farmland brings $10,000 monthly. You lease acres, and farmers pay rent every year. Many landowners earn passive income from farmland leases. These 20 businesses all work in real American towns. Each one needs a good location to succeed well. Start with one business and learn before you scale. Research local demand before you buy any equipment. Talk to current owners and learn from their experience. Buy used equipment first to keep startup costs low. Hire help for maintenance and keep your time free. These businesses build real wealth over many years. Passive income grows as you add more units or routes. You can live your life while money comes in. These ideas work for regular people with steady effort. Start today and take one small step toward freedom. Research your local area and find good opportunities now. Talk to owners and learn the real numbers first. Buy small and prove the model before big scaling. These unsexy businesses have helped many Americans succeed. You can join them and build your own income stream. Hit like and subscribe for more helpful finance videos today. Leave a comment about which business interests you the most. Start small today and watch your passive income grow steadily. These businesses can help you reach $10,000 monthly. Imagine your future with steady income from simple assets. You deserve financial freedom, and these ideas can help. Take action now and create the life you want. Many Americans have built wealth with these exact businesses. You can do the same with the right first step. Research locations and talk to owners in your area. Buy one small route or facility and learn the ropes. Scale slowly and watch your monthly income grow bigger. These unsexy businesses deliver real results over time. You can start building your future wealth right now. Passive income from real assets beats many risky options. You set it up once and it works for years. These 20 ideas are proven in towns across America. Pick one that fits your budget and local demand. Financial freedom starts with one smart decision now. These businesses can change your money story for good. You have the power to build steady, passive income. Start your journey toward $10,000 monthly today. Boring businesses often create the best long-term results. You can own assets that work while you sleep. These ideas are simple, but they really do work. Many quiet millionaires built wealth with unsexy businesses. You can join them by taking action in your town. Research each business and choose the best fit for you. Start small and grow your empire one unit at a time. These businesses reward patience and smart daily choices. Your hard work today builds freedom for tomorrow. Passive income from real assets creates lasting security. You can live well while your businesses run themselves. These 20 options are open to regular Americans now. Pick your favorite and begin learning everything about it. Talk to owners and visit locations before you buy. Buy smart and manage well for the best results. These businesses have stood the test of time in America. You can build real wealth with simple, proven ideas. Start today and take control of your financial future. The path to $10,000 monthly begins with action. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.